Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu created creation, and when He Jalla Jalaluhu got free from creating them, the kinship personified got up and submitted. It is a place to seek refuge with you from the one who severs the ties of kinship. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu said, aren't you pleased with it that I should reinforce the bonds with him who reinforces you, and I should sever bonds with him with severs bond with you? It submitted, why not? Allah Jalla Jalaluhu whereupon said, it is your right. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, read these words if you wish. Do you then have the sign that if you get the authority, spread disorder in the land and sever your ties of kinship? These are they whom Allah has cursed and made them deaf from the truth and made their eyes blind. Do they then ponder not over the Quran, or there are locks on the hearts of some of them? Surah Muhammad, verse 22 to 24. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6465.